Team decisions. Consolidating criteria. The problem here is very interesting. Let's imagine that the fleet manager of a large company plans to buy about 50 cars for their fleet and requested bids from 4 distributors. The company then formed a bid evaluation team from various departments within the company. The bids themselves were issued to these departments, and each department was required to conduct an expert's evaluation of the bids, but using their own criteria applicable to their department. These expert's evaluations can now be consolidated using expert's. So let us launch expert's and select the consolidator mode. We can now type in the project name. Let's say vehicle consolidation. The rest are optional. Press continue and now simply add the projects from each department. In this case, we will select a particular example from the examples page here. Let's start with the finance people, the evaluation from maintenance, the evaluation from operations, and finally that of safety. As soon as we enter all 4 projects, we see the results. You need to read about consolidation in our papers or Dr. Veerasinghe's book to understand what these mean. But as far as the operation is concerned, you have now consolidated the bids as they were received from the various departments. If the departments do not have the same level of authority, we must opt to use criteria consolidation. In this case, we must give some level of authority to each group. Let us say finance would have 40% of the authority. Maintenance would have 30%. Operations would have 20%. And finally, we give 10% to safety. Note that the total must add up to 100%. And here is the new ranking granting a different level of authority to each department. This is the end of this video.